Today we got a new thing on the bike, Akrapovic exhaust. तुम्ही लोक पुढे जा मी व्हिडिओ काढतो. So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a new thing on the bike, which is this Akrapovic exhaust. It's a R1M replica exhaust, but it sounds so soothing and bassy. It's almost close to the Yoshimura and the Leo Vinci exhaust. Today we're going to try this and how it sounds like, how it's audible on the mic as well. Let's see. So today two of our new friends are going to join us. We're going to shoot some reels and content in the evening. Right now I'm going somewhere else. I have time, lots of time right now. Aditya. It's 1:25 right now and they will come around 4, so I have lots of time, so I will go somewhere and do some masti. So let's listen to the exhaust noise here. That bassiness is dope. This is going to be a big rock in the road. So let's hop on the bike and let's see the people reaction we get. So right now I am going to my grandma place because I have lots of time. I have 2 hours straight and my grandma is always up for new talks. Can you listen to that exhaust note? Yeah, damn, it's so dope. We have the R1M exhaust, so I'm going to and it doesn't come with a dB killer, so I don't know what to do to reduce the noise. I did one thing, but I installed the catalytic converter so we can get a little bit low noise and the bassiness, but it's fine. Yeah, it's not the chalta. It's not like loud like SC Project exhaust. It's normal. But you can listen to the exhaust note here. It's so soothing. It's going to be a big flex in my group circle.
कभी-कभी लगता है कि पुनीत भगवान है.
To install an R1M exhaust because it's not easily available here. I had to wait for 2 months straight, and after that finally it appeared, and you can listen to his jalwa, man. Mera hi jalwa. I shall not sing that because we never know when the Salman Khan sir will appear here, and I can't even ride on footpath. So yeah, but I'm safe, I can say, because I'm not riding on a footpath and I'm singing Salman Khan songs.
मैं आ जाऊं क्या अपनी पर?
I just hope the cops won't caught me on this because I just saw that today's fine on the exhaust is around 11,000 rupees. Yeah, I'm not ready to pay that. उतने का तो exhaust भी नहीं है भाई. I got this exhaust around 7,000 with fitting and everything. The Mumbai humidity, man, it sucks. It sucks a lot. I'm literally melting here and my bag is so full because I have carried some things to give my grandma. She will be happy when I will show her that I installed something on her bike. She never get surprised because she always knows that every another month I am always be like, I'm going to install this, I'm going to install that, and she just like, yeah. She can see a kid inside me who is always excited for all this. We all need a grandma like my grandma. She is the best. She is one of the bestest friend I ever had. But man, this garmi sucks a lot.
Please wear helmet whenever you get on bike.
and there is going to be traffic however there. I have to be careful while passing through this. 4, 3, 2, 1. To avoid the traffic police, I have to see he is there only. So to avoid him, I have to go from the middle and very silently, as silent as I can. See, they're not got to know. So I tell you a tip and trick to how to get safe from these cops. Always, whenever you see them, always use the clutch, or when you are in running position, put your gears on the top, as top as you can, and ride on the 2000-3000 rpm. Then your exhaust won't make a sound. You can see there was literally 3 traffic police in the narrow way. They not got to know that I'm using a custom exhaust.
समझ रहे हो?
Oops man, this is the only place where I get scared. भाई क्या रास्ता बना है ये? इतना अच्छा तो रास्ता तो मेरे गांव में भी नहीं है. What the fuck man? Why they kept half road like this and half road very good? Like it's not good yet, but still like average बोल सकते हैं. See how plain this is and how half road it was. These guys take turns now without even looking at their sides, and I have to be very conscious such times.
मर जाएगा तू.
2 hours later.
जाऊया इकडनंच जाऊया मग. तुम्ही लोक पुढे जा, मी व्हिडिओ काढतो. अरे
क्या बोलती पब्लिक?
Now you guys can hear the exhaust note, so here we go. The amount of looks I am getting from people is insane, man.
Fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Man, I don't want to mess with them. Swag मिलने का. Let me go further. They doesn't know the route. Whew. This place never get over for me. Never ever. आज बोट नहीं है. So I came here after a very long time, almost 2 months, and today with the new friends. भावा लायसन्स कुठे दाखव जरा. घरी आला चला, आतमध्ये चला. So you can see the lineup here. There is MT-15. It's completely black like me. And there is R15, it's PS4, and you can see the mod here. There's a DRL, R6 mask, and there's this mighty R1. भावा कितीला रॅप केलं जरा सांग.
हा रॅप
3000 OP वाटतं रे. चलो let's shoot some reel and do some time pass. Ta-da.
1 hour later.
We are shooting pictures now. Here we have lots of lineup today. We have R15 heavily modified. Here we have minimal modified. Here we have extreme devilish modified. and there is MT-15 with purple eyes and some meteor guys as well. Oh, that cornering, man. It's always fun to ride with friends. माटुंग्याला कुठे किंग सर्कल जायचंय? किंग सर्कल ला ना?
किंग सर्कल ना माटुंग्याला जाऊया.
हां ठीक.
पुढे राहिला माटुंग्याला थांबूया.
हां ठीक. आपल्या शाळेच्या इथे?
हां
चल.
उद्याच्या इथे.
हां चल. Ladakh vibes on parade. Leh parade. Literally it seems like that. You know the fun fact is, I don't know where the fuck we are going. And I am not even up for the Squid Game here. Police. He should be in the police because his riding skills are so good. Even John Abraham will get scared of him in Doom 4. OP rider, man. ये भाई नहीं चाहिए ऐसा. आराम से also we can go buddy. But this is Yash after all.